Hi, I'm Alyssa, a part of the tech team here at Altitude, and I'm going to be showing you how to use a new AMU firmware updater. Okay, so you're going to want to head over to support and firmware updates. This is where your download exe link will be. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to your file explorer, and you'll find where you downloaded it, which will probably be in your downloads. And you're going to right click it, and then you're going to go to extract all, extract, and it'll just pop this up. You'll see it has a little Altitude logo right here. It'll be your application file. Double click that. It'll say Windows protected your PC. Click more info and run anyway. And then it'll pop this up. Just click next. You can click create a desktop shortcut. Next and install. And then launch AMU and finish. So once this pops up, you want to copy this first link by holding your left click and dragging over it. Right click, copy. Go to Google or whatever search engine you use and right click, paste, and it'll automatically download. And then you're gonna do that with the second link. And that will download. And then you have to restart your PC and then run the app again. Once you've restarted your PC, then you can click on the AMU again. This will pop up again, but ignore it because you've already downloaded both the x64 and x86. So to begin the process, you have to plug in your unit. It'll pop up over here in Device Manager under ports, COM, and LPT. It'll be USB serial port, COM, and then a number. Your number may be different, and that's okay. So you'll come over here to the AMU. After you plug in your unit, you'll press Restart CLI. And then your COM and whatever number it is will pop up. Mine happens to be 6, so I'm going to click on that. It'll say device identified, your device is almost ready, so just wait. And then you'll have these two pop up. You can read your jump data or you can update firmware, which is what we're going to do. So it says hold the device up button, then click update firmware, wait for the beep, and then release the device button after 4 seconds. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to hold the up button and then press update firmware. Heard the beep, and 1, 2, 3, 4, release. Then you just wait. And this will pop up. This is the Atlas 2 application 1010F. So you'll click on that. And this takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Shouldn't take any longer. Once it's done, it'll say CLI process stopped, and then it'll turn back to running. And then you can just unplug your unit. It'll restart. And it'll be the new rev. And that's it.